Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I will tell you about the problem of very intrusive push notifications today. The push notifications are currently coming from the website fitoftmobesed.info. fitoftmobesed.info. Of course, the name of this website does not really make any sense. However, unfortunately, it is now attacking many computers in the World Wide Web, and Mac browsers are not an exception. The goal of these pop-ups is to force you to click on this Allow button. However, you are strongly advised not to click on that button, because otherwise push notifications will be enabled and you will start receiving just plenty of them, plenty of these alerts in several parts of your screen, primarily in the right bottom part or in the right upper part, depending on the browser that got hijacked. So, again, stay away from interacting with all such alerts. They are produced by adware in your Mac, and you should be very careful to seek for the solution to remove this adware effectively. Now, to disable these notifications after they got mistakenly enabled, here's what you should do. Now, you need to go to your browser settings. If you use Google Chrome, you go to the Advanced, then to Site Settings, and finally Notifications. And here is this website in the list of allowed resources, allowed to display push notifications. So we click here and we remove it. Okay, now the problem is fixed and we no longer see these notifications. However, there is a great possibility that the adware still remains in your Mac computer. So it needs to be scanned with reliable software such as Combo Cleaner, and I recommend you to pay attention to this decent program. It is called Combo Cleaner, and the website to download it is this, combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. You may download it here directly and install it, and after you install it, the program will begin fixing your Mac. As I said, manual removal of these pop-ups is a helpful thing. However, it does not guarantee that all other issues will be fixed or at least detected. So I recommend you to refer to the help of Combo Cleaner Premium. It's a premium version of Combo Cleaner, and it will help you to identify other threats that might be slowing down your Mac, and especially they will help you to protect your Mac from attacks in the future. So click on Start Combo Scan button, complete scanning of your Mac, and the problems and the sources of unwanted redirections in your Mac should be removed. So, thank you for your attention. You may find some links in the description to this video. Thumb it up if it was helpful to you. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you again.